Hi Femi, how are
Hi,
you?
Jensen. I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. I'm good too. So, how are things at your end?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you about
And
that.
how's your work and everything going on?
Yeah, it's going good.
Okay. So, yeah. So I've heard that you're going for your leave, like So, what's your plan for your vacations?
I've applied for my annual leave and then I've been planning for this trip for quite some time now.
Okay.
So, due to various reasons, could not execute it.
Right, right.
But finally going to our dream destination. We're going to Maldives this
Oh,
time.
wow,
Yeah.
Maldives. That's
So, yeah, to just
sounds
spend
exciting, yeah.
just to spend some quality time with family and scenic oceans and views. So
Hmm.
yeah, looking forward for it.
Oh.
Hopefully everything goes well.
That's wonderful. So I'm sure that you will have a wonderful time there. And even I plan to go to Maldives someday, because even I like the oceanic views and, the things there, like, it's really wonderful. The blue waters, it's so mesmerizing. So do share your experience with me so that I can plan the trip accordingly,
Yeah,
okay?
sure. We'll let you know about it.
Okay, so cool then. So let's get started with our meeting. As you are aware that this is our annual performance review meeting, and we are here to discuss about your performance for the last 12 months.
Okay.
And based upon your performance, I will give you feedback, and also you will have a chance to talk about your experience with us and also share your future goals. And so, do you have any questions about the format of this meeting?
No, I think it sounds good.
Okay, okay, fine then. So let's get started. So while checking your performance, you have successfully completed and achieved your KPIs. As you see here, you have met your targets, and also I can see you have successfully completed your probation. So congratulations on that. So well done, Femi.
Thank you so much. And I don't think it would have been possible without my the help from my colleagues and my team leaders. So thank you for that.
Oh yes, yes, definitely. I do see that your team leaders did support you and your colleagues as well. So well done with your team overall. So yes, true that. However, I would like to particularly highlight about your performance. Even though it has been, you have gradually increased your performance, but comparing to the last 2 months, I see that there has been a reduction in the performance which you had, which you gave for the last couple of months. So, would you like to highlight, like, what would be the reason for that particular thing? Because I know that you have the capability to do the best, but what do you think, like, why it happened?
The last couple of months have been quite tough for me because I've been actually seeking some medical help. That was the reason why my
Mm-hmm.
overall performances was quite down because of that. Since the back pain, it was troubling me a lot, and that affected my performance at work.
Oh, okay. I was not aware about this. So, did you consult a doctor about this issue? And hope you're recovering well now.
Yes, I did consult the doctor because the thing was that I had a fall in the
Mm-hmm.
gym, as you know that I'm quite into
Yeah,
fitness and
yeah.
also
Okay.
because of which since this happened at the gym, so they had taken me to the nearest A&E, and then
Mm-hmm.
from there physios and everything was started for me.
Mm-hmm.
So I was under treatment for quite some time
Mm-hmm.
now, so just recovering now from there.
Okay. So, because I believe that there was no after you returned back to the office, there was no written back interview which was what's done with you. So, did you speak about this to someone as such?
No, that wasn't done. Yeah, you're right
Okay,
about it.
right, right. So do inform such cases to me as well. Do highlight me, as you know that I'm always reachable and you can always approach me for anything. So do remember that,
Yeah,
okay?
sure. Like, obviously, it should not happen next time, but
Yeah,
still,
but still, yeah.
in case there's anything, I will do inform.
Sure, sure, sure. So, very well then. While you're reaching your set targets, I'll encourage you to be the best in the class. Like the benchmark, as you know, the benchmark which we have is 23.5. However, you're reaching your targets till 20, which is pretty good. But still, like we would expect you to perform well. So, because I want my team to be the best, because we know that how all our team members are really performing well. So, I expect that kind of benchmark from you. Okay.
Yeah, I do understand that, and yeah, sure, I ensure that I'll put in extra efforts to reach that benchmark.
Okay, that's lovely, Femi, because I like your determination, and there have been several instances about where you have performed really well. So, I'm sure that you will be able to perform according and more beyond our expectations. And Femi, there was particular instance where there was some kind of aggressive behavior which was seen among with your team members while you were working. So, would you like to share about something like some details about such incident? Like, what would you like to say?
Well, about that, it's always been a healthy argument with the team members. It's like purely work related. But yeah, at times it does happen that the way I talk,
Mm-hmm.
the tone in
Mm-hmm.
which I speak is
Mm-hmm.
being misinterpreted.
Mm-hmm.
So, but then yeah, I do ensure that the things are resolved and with my team members, and like we don't carry forward that and that does not affect the work. So yeah, I do
Right.
ensure about that.
Yeah, I do understand, but it is better that you talk to your team members and get along with well. And if you have any misunderstanding, so you go upright and talk to them so that so there's a peace and harmony in the team, and that doesn't affect your performance.
Yeah, sure.
So
I'll definitely work on the way I execute and
right.
the way I speak. I'll do work on that.
Okay, and also the team unity can definitely help our team to reach new heights. As you know that we want the best in the team. So and so I'm sure that you will be looking forward and working along with your team members. So also another thing which I like to highlight is about your absenteeism. It has been quite worrying since the average absenteeism for a year should be 4.4,
Okay.
but yours was 8, like so it's quite alarming. So would you like to throw some light on it? I'm sure
Yeah.
it's related to your health issues.
Yeah, I'm aware about the absenteeism policy of this office, but the
Mm-hmm.
thing is that this is majorly during the last few months.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this was mainly because of the back injury that I had. So
Mm-hmm.
I had these couple of physiotherapy sessions.
Mm-hmm.
So because of which I had to take leave from office and go for my physiotherapy sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, because at times the back pain is so severe that I'm not able to give that performance at work as well. So I thought once I'm
Mm-hmm.
recovered, only then can I give my best. So I was just off for that reason.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I understand. Unfortunately, I was not aware, as I said before, about your situation because no one highlighted me about this. So I would talk to your team leader as well, and I can see that if some, we can arrange for some flexible shifts so that the absenteeism goes low, and you're able to spend more time at work, and also along with that you can get enough rest to for that for your back, which so that you have a proper rest, and we can balance both the things. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I understand because yeah, it was on my end that I did not inform you about that. But yeah, as I said, the physiotherapy sessions have almost got over now,
Mm-hmm.
and I am on the way to recovery.
Okay.
So hopefully my absenteeism will come
Yeah,
down.
I'm sure that you'll be fine. Yeah. Anyways, so thank you for that assurance, and do inform me if I can be of any help. And I do not see you see any other reason apart from not performing. Like I'm sure that you will come back strong. And also, Femi, I don't see you much of the to be very honest on in regards to the social work and the charity events which we do in our company, which is done by our company. I don't see you there as such. Like I see that you mainly avoid such gatherings, and it would be really nice of you, like if you could join us, and so that you get a breather, like every day from that normal work conditions, and come out and spend more time with our team and with other team members from other team, so that well that how our corporate works, like so what do you say about this?
I would love to come for these events, but then the only issue is the childcare.
Oh.
So usually the events are in the evening
Mhm.
time, so there isn't anyone back home to take care of my
Okay,
child.
okay.
So yeah, even though I am interested in coming for these events and for the get-togethers, but then yeah, family
Okay.
comes, so I have to actually stay back at home for that
Right.
reason. So yeah, if yeah, let's see if in future if I can get some like someone to take care of my baby back home, then surely definitely I'll try and come in for these
Okay,
meetings.
yeah, yeah, they definitely should try because I understand that I myself have two children, and it's managing them. It's not an easy job. So do understand we need to take care of the child as well. But side by side, if you can make some kind of arrangement, and and you can come around with some event at least. If we have a event, say for 2 or 3 events, at least try to come for one event, like so that you get along with the team, and we can have a good team building activities and things like that.
Sure, for next time at least I'll try. I'll give it a try.
Sure, good,
Sure.
good. So that's great to know. And like what do you, what are your future goals, Femi? What do you think that what you want to achieve?
Uh, for future goals, what I would like to apply for is as a team, the role of a team leader.
Okay.
I strongly believe that I have the capability
Mm-hmm.
to and the experience to
Mm-hmm.
handle a team.
Okay.
So yeah, looking for going forward, I am actually working on for that post.
Oh, okay, yes. I do see that you have that capability since, the task which we were giving to you, we do see that you have that attitude as a leader, which you can think differently and do things according to, the expectations. But still, as I said, like, we need to improve a lot. And so if you based upon your coming performance, we'll take a decision. And I'm sure that you won't let us down, and you will reach the targets and the KPIs, and you'll also cross the benchmark is what my strong feeling is. So I hope that you will work on the same
Yeah, sure. Thank you for putting in that much of
confidently.
confidence in me. Yeah, I do look forward to work and improve the performance and that I can do best for my team.
That's wonderful, Femi. So in order to summarize our meeting, I look forward to see your improvements in the KPIs and targets, as I said before, and increase your performance to be the best in the team, because I look forward to work along with the best in the team and in the corporate. So work upon your absenteeism. If you can make some arrangement, as I said, we can talk to your team leader and make some flexible arrangements for your shift if possible. And I look forward to see you in more of the company activities, and also finally, like try to improving your bonding with your team members. And also I would suggest you to join leadership training program, which is available in our with our learning and development team, so you can explore those programs and learn, so that how you can be a team leader while you are improving your performance. And yes, so I'm pretty sure that you will reach your targets and be a good team leader in the future. I look forward to that, family.
Thank you so much on that. Yeah, and definitely I ensure that I'll work upon all the points that you have said,
Okay.
especially on the absenteeism,
Mm-hmm.
which, yeah, according to me, I should be able to cut down on that, as I've already told you about. I finished off with my sessions. But yeah, in case there is anything that comes up or in case I need anything,
Mm-hmm.
surely I'll take up the flexible shifts that you have said. So I'll
Mm-hmm.
talk to my line manager
Mm-hmm.
about that.
Mm-hmm.
And about the events, yeah, sure. The thing is that I am also interested
Yeah.
in coming, but it's just because of the
Mm-hmm.
childcare. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, let me see in future if I can do some arrangements for that as well. And about the team, yeah, sure, I'll try and do about that as
Wonderful,
well.
Femi. Thank you for your time today, Femi. So I think that's it. And please do enjoy your vacations. And I'll see you soon. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. And if you have any doubts about anything, if you need any assistance, you know where to find me, right?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Jensen. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.